Wasatch SoftRIP helps you automate your workflow in even the most complex production environment. With the ability to set up and configure multiple hot folders for each printer installed on SoftRIP, you have the power to customize a workflow that works best for you. You can choose how SoftRIP will process any new files that are placed in a hot folder. You can choose to add your files to the RIP queue, rip your files, or rip and print your files. Hot folders automatically use the default imaging configuration, but they can be configured to use any imaging configuration that is currently installed on the RIP station. Additional actions can assist you with your production. Wasatch allows you to rotate, mirror, and scale all images that land in your hot folder. In SoftRIP, select the print unit you wish to create a hot folder for. Choose Server and Hot Folder. To activate the hot folder, place a check mark in the Active checkbox. Choose a location for the folder by clicking the Browse button and navigating through your system. If you are using the Wasatch Port Redirector, choose the folder that is being used with this feature. Select Create Preview Images to have smaller versions of your image created when you rip the file. Selecting this option will allow you to apply transforms to your hot folder. In the Action to Take with Arriving Files section, select how you want SoftRIP to process files in this folder. For this training, we will select the Rip and Print option. You can choose to delete your files after they have been ripped, or delete the RIP data contained in the print queue after your file has been printed. Selecting either of these options is an efficient and automated way to keep your RIP queue and print queue clean of unnecessary files. Select the Configuration button to get more details about your hot folders. This menu shows you every hot folder that is set up for this print unit. It also shows you what imaging configuration this hot folder is using and if any transformations have been made. Choose your hot folder to gain access to these additional options. You can use the default imaging configuration for all files processed through this hot folder, or you can select a different imaging configuration from the pull-down menu. You can only use the Apply Transforms option if you selected the Create Preview Images option earlier. Checking the Apply Transforms box will affect all files that land in this hot folder. You can choose to rotate, mirror, or scale your images. Once your hot folder has been set up, you will see it displayed on the server line under the Units displayed in the System tab. Now you are ready to open a file in a graphics application of your choice. Save your document directly to your new hot folder. If the Wasatch Port Redirector is being used, simply print the file. As long as you've saved your document with a file type that Wasatch recognizes, it will be processed according to the instructions you set up in your hot folder. Open Wasatch SoftRIP. Select the Queues tab. Since we set up this hot folder to rip and print, the file has been ripped and one copy has been printed. This shows us that the file was processed correctly once it was saved to the hot folder. Now you're ready to completely customize your production workflow.